attention, please.
This is not a personal opinion, but rather a fact that you need to know. Most people fall into this grave mistake, and therefore they do not succeed. I also stumbled upon this realization by chance. I had a consultation with a channel owner whose channel was verified and had over 160,000 subscribers. However, the income from the channel was less than $10 per month, and when a video was published, it would not get more than 3,000 views. It was relatively strange because the channel was not neglected, and its content consisted of horror stories and strange events, which is successful content. Additionally, the channel was less than a year old, so there were new subscribers present on the platform. I told him, let's try a new video with a new editing style, and I gave him instructions. Indeed, the video was created after a week and we published it. However, the problem persisted, and the views stalled at 5,000.
I am having a very bad day.
If a channel is large and has over 160,000 subscribers, each video should ideally get at least 20,000 views. After our first attempt failed, I said we must analyze the channel. I found the problem and discovered that not every subscriber was truly a subscriber.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Don't laugh, let me explain the idea. When we publish a new video on YouTube, it first appears to our subscribers. In other words, YouTube immediately suggests the video to subscribers. Then it shows it to people who have watched videos from our channel in the past, but haven't subscribed to it. And then to people interested in this field, and finally to new audiences. All subscribers receive an instant notification, and when they open YouTube, the video appears first.
Why you don't subscribe, bro?
When a subscriber of your channel is not interested in your new videos and only watches them for a few seconds, here lies the problem. The algorithm will think that your videos are not good because your channel subscribers are not interested in the first place. Now let me clarify this statement. Not every subscriber is a subscriber. The subscribers on the channel are individuals who use the YouTube platform, and according to their behavior, users of this platform are divided into types. Type 1, genuine subscriber. These are people genuinely interested in your channel's content and like your style, so they watch all your videos and express their opinions. They usually leave positive comments, and if they notice any flaws, they criticize constructively, aiming for improvement. They are also subscribed to less than 20 channels on YouTube. Type 2, real subscriber. They also watch most of your videos and interact with them, but they are subscribed to more than 50 channels on YouTube. Type 3, greedy subscriber. They subscribe to your channel and watch your videos, but they don't interact with them or give any likes.
Fine, no problem.
Type 4, hateful subscriber. Anything you publish, they dislike it. If they comment, it's usually negative with the intention to harm the channel owner. Type 5, weird and strange subscriber. This is one of the worst types of subscribers on this platform. They subscribe to over 1,000 channels and use YouTube like TikTok, only watching short videos. Of course, there are also alien subscribers who search for your channel every week and watch your new videos but never subscribe. So, what's the problem? The problem is gaining the worst type of subscribers for your channels. The same problem occurred with the person who consulted me. All his channel subscribers came from short videos because 3 short videos on his channel got 20,000 views. I informed him of this information, and he completely understood and thanked me for it. In the end, I told him that he has 2 options. Either continue to publish only short videos, or try to sell the channel and start fresh with a new channel, steering clear of short videos. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like this video. It encourages me and motivates me to provide the best content.